I partnered with Dolby for on some of their laptop devices. They're making the sound better on what we created. What we created is the Boomdizzle virtual studio. And what that means is, in a nutshell, is a kid in New York and a kid in, let's say, LA, or a kid in Montana and a kid in Miami will be able to go online and record music and collaborate in real time. From anywhere in the world. So basically, you think about it. If you got a prom tomorrow, and you want to go online with your friend, but he's back, at home in Texas and you're up in Maine, you'll be able to go online and record in real time. And this technology is going to revolutionize recording process forever. There are a lot of guys out there that want to record, that want to create, a lot of women, young ladies who want to record, want to create, but maybe the producer is down in Miami, maybe the producer is somewhere else. That problem is now solved. I had a lot of engineers that told me that this couldn't be done, programmers told me it couldn't be done, they told me there were latency issues with the internet, they told me there were things that weren't possible, but we were able to master this thing and make this thing happen. So I think that this is going to change the world of recording forever. And also, there are people out there who, you may not be a professional, you may be an amateur, you may be just somebody who wants to do a funny karaoke or a silly thing with your friends in one college and you're in another. Now you're going to be able to do that while you video chat in real time. You'll be able to upload either whole songs that you can sing to, or you'll be able to upload individual tracks. And it will have maximum flexibility, so any software programs, any keyboards that you like, if you like Reason, Logic, Ableton, whatever you think is cool or whatever sound you think is cool, you'll be able to upload it into the system and utilize it to create music. You can be a dance producer in Germany. It can be any kind of music. You can be live. You can use live guitars. If you're a Grateful Dead fan or a Zeppelin fan, or, oh my God, I like Leonard Cohen. My grandmother loved Leonard Cohen. You can do that. So whatever you like, whatever you're into, this technology will provide you with that collaborative platform that will allow you to record in real time. And that's what we did. So this morning, I had a little demonstration of the technology with a friend of mine, my man Brian over at CNET. And he was singing it back and behind me, so don't judge us harshly on him being sharp and flat and silly and all of that. But the key that I want you to understand when we play this back for you is that this was recorded with an engineer a zillion miles away, me being here, and us doing it in real time. That is the key that you must understand. It's not about the song or how it sounds, it's the process that we use to create the music. And I think it's very, very important because the revolution has begun in terms of music. We all know that the music business has been, enough said, and this is just one more step in the direction of making it about the users, not consumers, users. People that want to create their own content. So if you love, Facebook, or you love YouTube, or you love those things, but you want to have a more interactive experience and you want to be involved with the creation of music, this is what it is. And then Dolby was wonderful enough to allow us to use their technology so that whatever you create, if you use a device that has their technology, whatever you create will not only be created in using that process, but it'll have the great sound that you want from a functional standpoint. So that being said, I guess we can play, what are we going to play? Like a piece of, you want to play with a little bit of what we did? You want to mute the kid and just let them hear me with the vocals? Just first, with Neo, just so they can see. So what you're about to play, what you're about to hear is something that I recorded today with my engineer a zillion miles away. So just check it out. It really works. Very, very, very cool. A lot of cameras out there. I'm all right with that. Turn that up. Blast it. The future of technology. Huge crowd surrounding me. Dining room has an empty chair. The nearest staircase has an empty stair. So what you're listening to, but no one's the music was uploaded across town, somewhere else. I did the vocals on my laptop here and in the CES building. Next level. But nobody cares, cause it's still not a full house without a pair. Take your hand, but turn it up. Oh, let Neo play, let Neo play. Bottom Queen Hearts,
Okay.
So stop it. So now, just to give you the process again, just remember, think about what I'm saying. Just for those of you who just joined us, the recording process, the way this technology works, one person is in one city or town or state, another person, you can be in New York, they can be in Chicago. You can be in Montana, they can be in Wyoming. You can be in Miami, they can be in Paris. And you can record, mix, and create music in real time. So it is the ultimate collaboration. The ultimate. If you're a professional, you can create from scratch. If you're a DJ, if you love, Swedish Mafia and David Guetta makes you want to pick out cologne for the club, then you can listen to that, you can create that way. If you're an amateur and you just want to be silly and do karaoke with your friends and have fun, then you can do it that way. But this is the ultimate technology. And Dolby allows it to sound phenomenal on top of that. So now you know what it is. It's going to be the next level. So play a little bit more for them just so they can get an experience. And then let's have them walk through in a line so that they can get the feel of the surround sound.
Blackjack, poker, make the joker disappear. That East can't breathe when there's tension in the air. 3 clubs in one night, but nobody cares. Cause it's still not a full house without a pair. You tipped your hand, but the text wasn't clear.
Let it play.
Okay. Like that. Now play that back to me.
So basically Neo can be, Baltimore. Again, I can be in El Salvador, and we can create music. Is that crazy or what?
Yeah.
Seriously.
Woo!
That's next level. It's not a pair of headphones. It's next level. It's the truth. It's real. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand. Does anybody have any questions? I'll try to answer them. I don't write code, but I'll try to answer the questions if you have any. Anybody have any questions?
I'm interested in, you said you laid it down on your laptop. What type of mic did you use on your
Well, you can use, there are a lot of different types. I actually just used a real standard mic, like just with a cord. I mean, it was that primitive today, just to show people that you don't have to have $1 zillion worth of equipment to do it. But you can use a USB microphone, you can go in with your USB and put your headphones on with your mic attached and rock out, do your thing.
Great.
Any other questions?
Very nice.
Anybody curious?
Software.
Huh?
What about the software?
The software, the interface is really easy to use. You don't have to be a tech whiz to use it. Basically, if you know how to upload a song to YouTube, if you know how to upload a song or post a song on Facebook, you'll be able to upload music and create in real time on this. If you're a producer, obviously you're accustomed. If someone is a producer, they're used to working on a little bit more sophisticated software interfaces. They'll be able to go in here as well and upload tracks or stems separately. You'll be able to adjust EQs and do all of that you want to do for that. So the interface is real simple. There's separate tracks for everything. You have a separate track for vocals, quarter notes, half notes, whatever you want. You'll be able to quantize different things, so it's great. It works for whatever you want to do. It is